Here are 13 steps in the process of how rain is formed and becomes rain. 1. Solar heating. The process begins with the sun heating the Earth's surface. This energy causes water from oceans, rivers, lakes, and other bodies of water to evaporate into the atmosphere. 2. Evaporation. Water evaporates from these surfaces, turning into water vapor, an invisible gas that rises into the atmosphere due to its lower density compared to the surrounding air. 3. Transpiration. Plants also contribute to the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere through a process called transpiration, where water absorbed by roots is released through tiny pores in leaves. 4. Rising air currents. As the water vapor rises, it encounters cooler temperatures in the upper atmosphere. This rising can be driven by convection, where warmer air rises and cooler air descends. 5. Cooling and condensation. As the water vapor rises and cools, it reaches a point where it can no longer remain in its gaseous state. The cooler temperatures cause the water vapor to condense into tiny liquid water droplets, forming clouds. 6. Cloud formation. These water droplets coalesce around microscopic particles like dust, salt, or smoke, which serve as nuclei for condensation. As more droplets gather, they form visible clouds. 7. Coalescence. Within the cloud, water droplets collide and merge with other droplets, growing in size. This process is known as coalescence and continues until the droplets are large enough to overcome the air currents holding them aloft. 8. Ice crystal formation. In cold clouds, especially at higher altitudes, water droplets can freeze into ice crystals. These crystals can also grow as they collide with supercooled water droplets, turning into snowflakes or sleet. 9. Precipitation formation. Once the water droplets or ice crystals become heavy enough, they can no longer stay suspended in the cloud and begin to fall towards the Earth due to gravity. 10. Rainfall, liquid precipitation. In warmer clouds or when falling through warmer air, the droplets remain in liquid form and fall to the ground as rain. 11. Melting, for snow, sleet. If the precipitation starts as ice crystals or snowflakes, it may melt as it falls through warmer air layers closer to the ground, turning into rain. 12. Impact on the ground. When the rain droplets reach the ground, they can replenish water sources, nourish plants, and contribute to various aspects of the hydrological cycle. 13. The water cycle continuation. After falling, rainwater either evaporates back into the atmosphere, gets absorbed by plants, infiltrates the soil, or runs off into rivers and oceans, continuing the water cycle. These steps outline the complex journey of how water transforms into rain, illustrating the interconnected processes that sustain life on Earth. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.